The true origin of the washing machine remains a mystery, but its history is long and fascinating. While an early English patent dates back to 1791, washing machines existed in various forms even earlier, with some evidence suggesting their use as far back as the 16th century. Of course, these early machines were nothing like the sleek, high-tech appliances we use today. Many individuals have contributed to the evolution of washing machines, from ancient washhouses that used abrasive sand to remove dirt, to modern machines with advanced technology. The journey has been incredible. The earliest patent under the category of washing machines dates to 1691 in England, but it wasn't until 1767 that Jacob Christian Schaffer, a German scientist, created a device resembling what we recognize as a washing machine today. Schaffer was a man of many talents, holding degrees in theology and philosophy, and was a member of various academic societies. The first patent for a rotating drum washing machine came in 1782, thanks to Henry Sigier. Not long after, Edward Beetham began successfully marketing and selling patented washing mills across England in the 1790s. 3 decades later, the invention of the scrub board in 1797 revolutionized the way people wash clothes, followed by New Hampshire inventor Nathaniel Briggs, who received the first patent in the US for a clothes washing device in the same year. Though details of his invention were lost in the 1836 Patent Office fire. Fast forward to 1851, and we see James King patenting a washing machine with a drum, a device considered one of the earliest ancestors of modern washing machines. Although still manually operated, King's invention significantly reduced the physical effort needed to do laundry. In 1858, Hamilton Smith took things a step further by creating a rotary washing machine, and in 1861, King incorporated a wringer into his design. However, these early machines were mainly for commercial use, being either too costly or cumbersome for most households. That changed in 1874 when William Blackstone, from Indiana, designed the first washing machine specifically for domestic use. He built it as a gift for his wife, marking the beginning of a new era in laundry convenience. The dawn of electricity brought about a major transformation. In 1901, Alva J. Fisher invented the first electric washing machine, famously called Thor. Fisher's design featured a galvanized tub powered by an electric motor, and soon after, wooden drums were replaced by metal ones. By 1908, the Hurley Machine Company began manufacturing these electric machines, making laundry easier for households everywhere. Today, washing machines come in all shapes and sizes, with brands like LG, Bosch, and Samsung leading the way. Though modern machines boast unique patented features, they all draw inspiration from the early designs that paved the way. Now, instead of worrying about performance, today's focus is on energy and water efficiency, bringing us one step closer to the perfect laundry solution.